I'm going to show you how to upload a mobile foot traffic report to segment every visitor to your location. First, you'll go to the Append tab and then choose Append Segments. Pick Foot Traffic Report. And then here's some tips on how to prepare your mobile report, but Near, SafeGraph, and Placer.ai are already pre-formatted for this automation process. But in general, what we need here is the census block group from which the visitor came. That can also be delivered in a latitude and longitude. In that case, we'll again level it up to the census block group. And it's always good if we have a visitor ID, and that allows you to get frequency of visits versus just total visits. So I'm going to show you what two potential files would look like. On the left-hand side, this is North Point Mall, and this is a SafeGraph visitation report. It includes a latitude and longitude of visits, but not the visitor. And then here you have expanded CEL/CDL report, and in this case, this is from Uber Media or Near, and it gives the common evening census block group to match on. And you'll notice here that there is a visitor ID, so we can see if this person went more frequently or less frequently, so you can see the total visits. You'll see where that plays out here in a second. But I'll show you how to upload one of these reports. We're going to upload the North Point Mall from our Placer report. So I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to choose a file. I'm going to choose my North Point Mall file in CSV format. We'll hit Next, give the site address, and we'll enter our email so we get a notification when it's ready. We'll get a success if it's been correctly uploaded, and then we can see now that that North Point Mall is processing. You'll see I've already ran this. If you want to analyze this in an Excel format, you can go ahead and download that here, or if you want to analyze it within our user experience, you can hit the Analyze tab. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit the Analyze tab, and we see up at the top the North Point Mall location. So I'm going to select that. We're going to hit Analyze Sites. We can see the visitation from each of those. Now, I also want to show you what the Excel report looks like, especially if you have frequencies. So we're going to go to a different one. This is a Serena Lily furniture store in the Hamptons. So I'm going to hit download, and it's going to give me a folder. So I'm going to bring that folder over here. We can look at the contents. So we have an Excel format and a PDF format of contents. In this case, since it came from Uber Media, we have frequency of visitors. So we can now compare the percentage of visits to the frequency of visits. And we have this now on the X and Y axis, customer percentage of visits, Y-axis frequency of visits, and the size of this circle represents the size of the total population for that segment in the market. So we see that J, the Sunset Boomers, represent 43% of the customers, and also 7% of this market is Sunset Boomers. So this gives you a little bit of a closer look at strategy with dealing with this segment. And that's it. It's how to append your mobile foot traffic data and analyze it both in Excel format and the user experience format.